Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a no sugar moist cake. Ta-da! So I have here with me my ingredients. I have 2 cups of honey. I have 220 grams of butter. I have 1 cup vegetable oil. I have 7 eggs, 700 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of whole milk. You can substitute for yogurt. I have 6 tablespoons. I'm going to be using 6 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So the first step, you have to mix the butter, the honey and your vegetable oil together. You mix until it's fluffy and light in color. And the next step, you add your eggs one at a time until you finish your eggs. So you don't add all the eggs together. And then you mix all your dry ingredients together, your baking powder and soda, and then you mix your wet ingredients. So the wet ingredients go together. At this point, you divide your flour into 3 batches and your milk into 2 batches. You start off with the flour, you use the folding method, and then after folding in, you add the first batch of your milk. You mix them in, add the second batch of your flour, and then the last batch of your milk, and then the last batch of your flour. After using so I'm using a spatula to fold in my flour so I don't overwork my batter. So I have my prepared loaf pans. I'm going to scoop in my butter into the pans to make sure they are even, and then I'll smoothen the surface of my batter with my spatula, and I'll bake in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, tell me your thoughts about this recipe. Try it out and give me feedback. See you next time. Bye bye.